screen, and it is a tempered start, but mildly positive, one would say, and better than what we've been, sort of starting off with the last two trading sessions at least. So mildly higher, both for the Nifty Bank as well as for the Nifty. Let's start off then with the earnings reactions now, and let's first see what Hindalco is up to, because that's where the big dhamaka is really going to be. While Asian Paints is seeing a further sell-off after yesterday to 1.5% lower, Hindalco up 2.5% as we speak right now. For Britannia, the revenue growth is coming at about 5%, so look out for what that stock as well does in trade. ONGC, of course, the results have been largely in line. Britannia went in weak into its numbers, was down about 5% yesterday, another 2.25% of a knock coming in for Britannia too as well. The margins, of course, have managed to miss the street estimates. Jubilant FoodWorks, the 2.8% LFL growth, the outlook is optimistic. Let's see whether that's really sort of bringing about any cheer for Jubilant FoodWorks or not. NMDC, of course, is not quite reacting positively to its numbers. The EBITDA was below expectations, although the revenue was ahead of consensus estimates. LIC 2.25% higher post the JP Morgan upgrade. The target price also, remember, has now been upped to 1,075 from the earlier 790. The stock already at 930 thereabouts. Reliance is seeing a mild positive, but I don't know how much of a fillip can that really turn out to be for the rest of the market. But L&T Tech as well, they're looking at acquiring a California-based AI software firm, about $110 million acquisition. Hindustan Copper also came out with its numbers. The revenues have seen an uptick of 68%, EBITDA jump up of 25% there. Ramco Cement, the fall in volumes is lower than what was anticipated. EBITDA stands at about 320 basis points. Inox Wind has bagged a repeat order from one of the companies for an 87 megawatt plant. Shree Cement also numbers came out. There was RVNL, which has also emerged as one of the lowest bidders from South Central Railway for 294 odd crore rupees. What about UPL? What is that doing in trade? Because the commentary from the management actually turned out to be positive. 5.5% of a move coming in for UPL. It's pretty much undoing all of yesterday's damage post the outlook that the management talked about.
Okay, those are some of the key newsmakers in today's trade and all reacting. And for now, it's the broader end of the market that's actually managing to hold out. So looks like we're piggybacking on those US cues. Let's find out what the overall sectoral picture as well is looking like. And FMCG, autos, they're definitely standing it out this morning. You've got realty, media and the PSU banks along with energy that are holding out in the green. That breadth as well is in favor of the gaining side, and that's the Nifty Bank around the 52,080 mark. Let's get in Naresh's first trades. And Naresh, how are you reading into the market momentum around the 24,022 mark, and what would be your first trade?
So for now, we are still stuck in a range-bound move. The relative strength stocks which look interesting is REC, which is close to a breakout. So that looks interesting for the short term.
Okay, point taken. Thanks so much for that, Naresh. We'll let you go on that note, but Gautam Dugar is joining us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.